Hey YouTube, I'm working on updating my Riot API Bootcamp. It's going to go live towards the end of the month. Price may change based on how much content I'm putting in, but I wanted to bring you a video from there because it's something very useful. We're talking about how to use live data when you're playing a game of League of Legends. Based on what we've seen in the past, you would think that getting live game data with the Riot API is difficult. Well, this is actually a case where it's rather straightforward. All you have to do is make requests to a specific URL on your local network with this structure here below. You can read the documentation on the Riot API portal, but I'm going to step you through an example. Right now I'm in a practice mode game as Aatrox, so let's pull it up. Pulling up the live game data shows that we can look at everything from the active player, so whoever is local onto your machine, aka you, their abilities, their champion stats, their full runes. You can read the documentation to get all the details for what's contained in this response, but needless to say, there's quite a bit. Some examples include going to active player name, so obviously I'm the active player. You can also pull the player list, so this is everyone who's playing. There's only one person in the practice mode, which is me, so if there were more, there'd be more information here. And you can do things like check their player summoner spells by the player name. So if there's another player in this game, I could change out this part here and get whatever summoner spells they have. Things like that. So there's a lot of things you can do with live data. So I've converted that request to a very simple block of code here where we look at the current gold data. You make the request to the URL, you filter the response to the active player current gold, and just print a simple one-liner saying how much gold they have. And I've run this every half second for 5 times. And you can see it's updating live. So about 1750 gold, which is about what I have. So you can see it's accurately reading the live data. Again, this is a very simple example, but now you can see how overlays like Blitz are able to pull your live gold as well as your teammates' live gold and estimate what's going on in game. So very powerful functionality and thankfully very straightforward.